Good morning, YouTube. So today we're off to take the OBS pickup truck to get the exhaust system done. So you can see we already loaded it up on the trailer. I'll show you guys. There it is. Load it up. Got my brother's beast, the 2500, pulling it. There it is. So we pushed it up here because we didn't want to start it up and wake up the neighbors and stuff like that. So, but yeah, there it is. Ain't she cute? Look at this bad boy. Ugh. You could tow a baby elephant with this. There it is, guys. Project OBS. You know, a lot of stuff still needs to be done, but you know, we'll get there. We just I put the drive shaft on this morning, and we're gonna go ahead and do the exhaust. The exhaust that we're going with is a MagnaFlow competition axle back off a 6th gen Camaro. So this exhaust was originally for Boogeyman, but is now gonna go on Project OBS. Let's lock this place up. Got a mess going on in the garage, but before we get to the muffler shop, I gotta show you something. I know you guys miss him. Bam, Boogeyman out in the cold. Look at that, poor old Boogeyman. Gotta rep the homies. There it is. So once we finish the OBS, get back on track with Boogeyman. Got a lot of parts. So we have the rotofab in there. We have to port the MSD, a bunch of cool stuff. But nevertheless, we're out of here. We're off to the muffler shop. We're right here with brother Jesse, master mechanic. You should be asleep. Wise words. Wise words. There it is right there. All that LS swap and its glory. You got an LS pulling another LS, right? Is this considered an LS? Yeah, right. Yeah, 6.0 LS. So yeah, we're about to go to my buddy's muffler shop. We're gonna get the MagnaFlow 19339 axle back system from a Camaro, retrofitted to fit this OBS pickup truck. It should sound really nice. It's a straight through design, so it shouldn't restrict any flow, but it still has a muffler on there, so it should tone it down. Yeah, no drone or anything like that. So hey, driving this thing like a boss. Driving this thing like a boss. No other way to feel if you have a 6.0. What is that, a Hell Gato? Is that a Hellcat over there? No. I think it's just a 392 Scat Pack. They assigned me the duty of a pilot with no power steering. Lord knows I need that. Give that boy some milk. I need some milk. Give that boy some milk. Because of the power steering. Alright, we're just gonna do it the old school way. We're gonna get a jack and we're this is how you do it right here. Alright, Jesse, show them how it's done, Jesse. Matt. Give the boy some milk. So basically he's gonna pick it up at the differential and he's gonna turn it. See? That's how you do it. Genius. Right here, let me get, I'm gonna start helping, so put this camera down. So here's a little quick recap. Brand new calipers, brand new ball joints, brand new disc brakes, brand new shocks, struts. Got the long tube headers. This is the way we fabbed up the linkage cable, so you guys get an idea. So originally the linkage will go right across here like this. So what we had to do is we had to cut it here, bend it, bring it down so we could clear everything. So now we could go out through all the gears. So we're still gonna cut this and clean it up and put a cutter pin, remove the old stuff. We still have a lot of work to do here. But this is how it's gonna look. This is our fuel line. We used a Corvette style fuel pressure regulator with all AM fittings. And that went into the gas tank with our 255 Walbro. And we even did a stainless steel braided lines for our transmission with all 6 AM fittings also. Here's a custom drive shaft we got made from a shop in Gardena. I believe it's Proline Drive Shafts. I would have to double check the name, but that guy was real cool. He got this thing done in one day for us. So we went with steel because we wanted it a little bit stronger. So that's that. Same thing back here. Disc brakes all around. All new shocks. This is a built 10-bolt differential from Tom's Differentials, or the gear shop, and it has 373 gears with the full posi TA performance rear cover. For it has a little bolt here that reinforces the, I don't remember this does, but I think it prevents like backlash or something, I don't know, but it puts pressure on it or something, I don't know. But yeah, so that's how it is. We're gonna do the exhaust system right now. Should look really nice. We also got a brand new gearbox, brand new polyurethane bushings everywhere. Oh yeah, we got our drop springs. This thing sits real nice. 30 dingle LS swap motor mounts. Painted the motor red, looks really good. So went with our electric fans. Jerry's here, the owner, my guy, my muffler guy. So what do you think, Jerry?
What we have to do is we're gonna have to run it this way.
Okay.
And we're gonna have to run it under the
transmission?
Under transmission right here to go this way. It's more comfortable for that, obviously, right?
Okay.
So it'll stay above the crossover. Y ya que esté aquí.
Well, here's the kicker. These are the mufflers. So I think you're gonna have to hack them. So I was thinking maybe put the 2 mufflers here like this. 2 mufflers here.
Right there where the hole's at.
Or here, yeah. And then run
the X pipe, right? Or no?
What do you think? Yeah.
It's up to you. The X pipe will give you a better low end torque.
Yeah.
High end torque is better without the X pipe.
I think we do the X pipe.
Yeah.
How about like so the X pipe right here, and then both here,
then both mufflers will be
and then jump it over,
and then do whatever you want to do.
And then out the back. Well, originally we wanted them out here, but I think it'll be more cleaner and more refined if we go to the back. It'll be quieter, and he could always come back and get cutouts if he wants it louder.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Yeah. So we could run it to the
over
back,
the axle.
this way.
Okay, cool.
You know.
I'm good with that. We decided we're gonna go 1 pipe here, 1 pipe out, 2 mufflers, an X pipe, and we're gonna pitch them out both right here on the side for keep everything a little bit lighter and flowing well. So that's it. So we're out of here, guys. We're gonna drop off the OBS. We're here at Lara's Muffler, the best of the best. So we'll come back. All right, guys. There you guys have it. We're leaving the muffler shop. We're leaving Jerry's muffler shop. Hello, Jefe. These guys take real good care of me, so if you guys need a good muffler shop, come check them out. They do full custom work. They have any size pipe you want. They got good customer service. So yeah, so we gave them a bunch of work, so the truck's gonna be there for a while. But, I think I like the setup, Jesse. What do you think? It'll be nice, huh? So what we did is we actually from the headers we went into the next pipe, and then we cut the mufflers off, and then we put the mufflers in the middle of the truck, and then we ran the pipes out. so it'll be like more crisp. Right, he's gonna do the X pipe in
X-pipe muffler.
before the muffler.
Before the
Yeah, X pipe before the mufflers. So we're gonna go get something to eat, kill some time, and then we'll be back and pick up project code OBS. So over and out. All right, guys, we're on the way to pick up the OBS from the muffler shop. The orange juice guy is still okay. The caffeine guy has crashed. I'm tired. How are you, Jesse?
Squirt.
Oh, squirt. So let's see how this truck sounds. Should sound really nice. Can't wait. I'm excited. The tip looks nice. Placement is perfect. Can't wait to hear it. Ooh, I like it. Man, that looks nice. Oh, that looks good. Looks good. Hey Jesse, looks good, huh? Look at how nicely tucked up it is.
Oh, he tucked it into the
He tucked it real nice, huh?
It's like before the frame.
Yeah. He killed it too. Look at those tips, how perfect they are.
Everything is level everywhere, man.
Oh, it looks perfect. We're about to fire this bad boy up. Nice, very nice. Like it. It hides the cam well. I like it. It's under the cam real nice. Guys, there you have it. The OBS has a new custom-made exhaust system. It is really nice. It looks really sharp. Sounds really good. It sounds like a car, huh? Just like a Corvette, huh? Corvette. Sounds like a car, like Camaro, Corvette, something real refined, real tony. But I think that has to do with the type of mufflers that we use and the X pipe and all the 3-inch piping and stuff like that. So it sounds real good. Once we have the tune done, once we go down to Kike's and get the car tuned, it should sound, the idle should drop, you know, it should sound a little bit more low because the cam is on a 111 lobe separation. So it's gonna have a little more chop to it once the idle comes back down. So yeah, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.